Need to import MSG files into Outlook? Don't worry. BitRecover MSG Converter Wizard offers a reliable and efficient solution to import MSG files into Outlook without any hassle. The tool ensures a smooth migration process while preserving all email properties and folder structure. To download the BitRecover MSG Converter tool, check the link in the video description.
Once downloaded, simply install the BitRecover MSG Converter tool on your system and launch it. To begin the process, click the Next button. The software provides two options to add MSG files. Select Files, choose one or multiple individual MSG files from your computer. Select Folders, add an entire folder containing MSG files, including subfolders, for bulk processing.
Select the option according to your requirement. Browse and choose the MSG files or folder. Then click the Open button.
Now click Next button.
Choose the desired files from the list using the checkbox. Click Next.
In Select Saving option, choose PST file format by clicking on drop-down.
Check or uncheck the Create Separate PST per User option according to your requirements.
Next, select the destination folder where you would like to save the output files by clicking on Browse Folder icon. Finally, click Next button. The software will begin the conversion process. Once completed, a confirmation message will appear. Click OK to continue. The software will open the destination folder. Now, open Microsoft Outlook to import the generated PST file. Click File option and select Open and Export option. Click on Open Outlook Data File. Browse to the folder where the resultant PST file is saved, select the file, and click OK. You can now view MSG files in Outlook as the process has been completed successfully. And that's it.
Thank you for watching.